All right, now in AHK Scriptmaker, we're looking at things under view. What a surprise, you can zoom in and zoom out. You can either hit these hotkeys, control wheel up or down, or scroll up and down with the wheel. You can enable or disable the wrap of the lines or view white spaces. So here we'll see little dots show up as spaces under view. And I can enable or disable the line returns being shown there, and I can view or show line numbers. I always want to have line numbers. This last one's interesting, this view toggle visibility. Now, before I change it, notice there's no hotkey here. A lot of these you can assign a hotkey to. So toggle visibility, this would hide AHK Scriptmaker. It doesn't close it, it just hides it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back in here and show you how to assign a hotkey. So visibility, notice I don't have one. Let's say Control Shift V. I don't know if that's, it looks like that's okay. So I'm going to assign. And now close this. Now when I hit Control Shift V, it will toggle it being on the screen. So it's very simple to be able to assign a hotkey to go do those things. And it shows up here to remind you what the hotkeys are, right? So very cool that you have all these preferences. Again, easy to change and update for what you want to do.